The August Smart Lock. It's installed on the inside of the door, and on the outside is the existing deadbolt. A lot of times these deadbolts are just garbage deadbolts to start with that are going to fail. And then you have the homeowner installing the lock on the inside. It seems to be doomed for failure. And that's why we're running across a lot of these lately. And some of it is, in my opinion, is poor design of the lock. They're putting it onto crappy locks on the outside. I have had no luck at all installing these, and I'm not happy with them at all. And I advise my clients not to install it. So here I have an August lock, and it has August lock on the inside, and you can see it's a smart key lock on the outside. It's a Weiser or Kwikset. I run across both of these. Now, first of all, I'm not a fan of the Weiser or Kwikset smart key locks. They have a huge amount of failures. In this case, it's not the lock. The key is turning, but it's not retracting the deadbolt. And what normally happens is, and what happened in this case, is the August lock has failed on the inside. It's jammed up. Also on top of that, the batteries are dead. So, and there's been other problems. The customer can't use their app to unlock it from their internet or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Also, they can't open it with the key. I have had failed deadbolts at the same time. In this case, the deadbolt is okay. It's functioning, and you'll see this when I get it open, the bolt retracts, no problem. What I have to do here is I have to drill the mounting screws that hold it on the door. So there's the two mounting screws. Now I pre-drilled that. It was hard to video this and drill at the same time. So it's pretty easy to find where the mounting screws are. And I just drilled out the mounting screws, and it drills out pretty easy. Good quality drill bits. You know, I just use HSS steel. I've drilled off the lock on the outside. The August Smart lock mechanism on the inside just falls down, and then it's quite simple now. All I have to do is take my screwdriver and open the door. So it's not the problem of the lock in this case or the bolt. What's happened is the August lock has totally failed. It's jammed up the tailpiece on the deadbolt, and I had to drill it, get it off. And so what I do then, in this case, we just threw on because the house is for sale, I just threw on a Schlage deadbolt. I like these. This is just a very simple one, not expensive. It is the commercial grade Schlage deadbolt, and I'm quite happy with that. So it's a good lock. I prefer electronic lock. That would be the one I would recommend.